Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very delicious fruit punch recipe. This one has no sweeteners and no extra additives. So if you'd like to see how to make this refreshing and delicious drink, keep watching. So before I start, I need to set up my juicer, and I'm using the Amzchef masticating juicer. It's really easy to put together and it's really easy to use. And it takes about 2 minutes to set up from beginning to end. It comes with 2 cups, one to catch the juice and a bigger one to catch the sediments. So I just have to place the top cap on and turn on the machine. And let's start juicing. So I'm starting with some apples. Now I'm using a combination of fruits. You can mix it up if you want. So we're going to juice each of the ingredients and then add it to one big mug. I love juicing apples. You get tons of juice out of the apples. Next, I'm going to go in with some seedless grapes. I love the color that this grapes gives out. Now I'm going to pour this into my container. And I'm going to continue juicing. So I'm going to do some pink grapefruit next. You don't want to only use sweet fruits. You want a combination with different tart and sweet and sour. So when it all comes together, it's a perfect combination. Next goes in pineapple, my favorite fruit. Tons of pineapple. Use more, use less, whatever your preference is. Empty that into your mug. Next, we're going to add in some star fruit or carambola. I thought this would be a really lovely addition since I've never seen anyone juicing this fruit before. And it's a really delicious fruit. If you've never had it, you need to try it. And it does give you a really beautiful color, very similar to that of pineapple. Next, I'm going to go in with some oranges. Empty that. So I have both the orange juice and the carambola or star fruit in there. Next, I'm going to go in with some ripe mangoes. I prefer using ripe mangoes, not half-ripe mangoes. You get more juice and more sweetness out of that. I would also recommend trying some passion fruit in this. I was looking for passion fruit, but I did not find any. It would make a really great addition to this juice. So add that in, and now the last fruit I'm going in is with watermelon. This is what's going to give this fruit punch its lovely red color. And we're using more of the watermelon than any of the other fruits that we juiced. All you have to do now is empty that into your mug. You want to give your juice a really good mix. Now for me, I don't want to add any additives, any sugars or anything to this, but if you wanted to add sugar or some vanilla, feel free to. I'm just skimming that scum or froth off of the top, and all you have to do next is pour yourself a delicious glass and enjoy. The weather is nice and hot, so you want something refreshing to drink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. The link for the machine used in this demo will be listed in the description box, so check that description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Try it and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!